I'm gonna make my mom's famous fried chicken.
Why
You
people
get to
always
just
saying
heat it with some cold water, and then we'll get to frying it.
Where's the line? Where's the vinegar?
So we just put it in a whole bunch of chicken.
I know
Not
she's
too
not
much,
putting
so
raw
it cooks
chicken
it.
inside of a bag of flour.
And you start to like move it around. So it's just 3 ingredients that I use for seasoning these fried chicken. My mother's recipe, I have to, so it's Lari seasoning salt, very important. Pepper, organic pepper. Paprika, organic. I try to do organic when I can. If you can't, no big deal. We just do the best that we can. All right. So I start to dust it with the Lari salt, right? Each chicken gets enough. Maybe a little too much because I like it a little salty. Okay, each chicken gets a nice little dose of pepper. And we give it some paprika. All right, we wait to the next step now. Look, that's a good color. Because I'll probably flip it again because I want this time to get all of the spices that the other side got, right? So.
Ooh, they look a mess. Ooh, they look a mess. Paula,
Okay,
you
that's
are
perfect. And so then that becomes the chicken that I get to eat.
That you
and cheese, but this is gonna be pretty hot.
That shit. What the fuck? Girl, lie. Girl, lie. Paula,
Very good. Very good.